Hey everyone, so how to install N26 mobile banking app. So this is the app, yeah, uh, tied to this card, which is called N26. And yeah, so if you're using the card, you can just open an account here in 5 minutes. So just tap get, and then yeah, you can just use Touch ID or password and stuff. And yeah, so it's 208 megabytes. It's available in these 5 languages. Uh, Not that many reviews, only 6,000 reviews, and the rating is 4.6. So it's pretty decent. And a lot of people like it, especially in Europe, I guess. Um, so yeah, that's how you install N26 mobile banking. You just need to wait here. And then yeah, just tap open. And here you can either log in or open account. So you can just see an overview and then just get started. You need to accept cookies. And then here is the process. You need to create your login, select your plan, confirm identity, and get started. So that's how it works.